If you are looking for some kind of voiceover video on Adobe XD,
then please continue this video. Let's assume you have to share a design product video with your clients. So you recorded your XD video and shared the video with your client. But your client might be confused by seeing the product video which you have shared because a lot of things going on inside this video. So in XD, there's a voice recording option actually. So you can record your voice while you're recording your prototype screen simultaneously. So let's check how it works. First, go to the prototype tab. Then you select the artboard. Okay, I've already selected here. Then click to the play button. So you can see the prototype is going on here. Then click to the tiny drop down from the right corner. Okay, then enable the microphone option. Okay, then you're almost there. Finally, click on the circle to record your voice and screen together. Hey everybody, I'm recording this video for you to explain the interaction model of Alexa Echo Show Devices home screen. Now stop this video by clicking the same icon here. Now save the video, just an example. Okay, save the video here. Let's open the video. Hey everybody, I'm recording this video for you to explain the interaction model of Alexa Echo Show Devices home screen. Now, so it's very simple, right? By using these features, you could actually explain the complex part of your interaction, and your client will get what you are trying to explain basically.
so hope it helps you, and
Please feel free to ask me any question regarding the same topic on the comment section. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I have faith in you that you will like this video and subscribe my channel. Take care.